better picture. Here we go. Oh, yeah. You could definitely see the sparkle. Look at that. I love that one. The square one right there with the gold through the middle. Gorgeous. One of my favorite right here. These are not in. They're just sitting there very, very quietly because I have to glue them in. And this one here has to have a little, I have to sand the left side there so it'll fit better. But this one, oh, I love these. So I just want to just come in real quick and show you. These are the rest. Now, for those of you who were here yesterday or the day before, these were the 3 I had done. These are glued in. And they're just as beautiful as, I mean, really, they're just gorgeous. So I may have to get different designs. I think I prefer all silver backings. So we'll have to see. But they're beautiful. They came out absolutely great. And so on Sunday, well, these are going to be finished. You'll know what it's like. I just have to glue them in. And you'll know the process. I don't need to come and show you that. But I'm going to do something today. I don't know what. I don't want to do any more of these. And not till later. Not until I get the glue anyway. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.